guys, it's Farrah. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a spring speed clean with me. I will actually be collabing with a very sweet mama named Marie, and I will just be tackling my bedroom and my master bathroom. They're both way behind. I really need to dust, especially my bedroom, and then the bathroom just needs, the tile is really dusty, needs to be vacuum mopped, and I just need to clean around my tub and my sink and all that stuff. But I went ahead and I bought a little bit of decor to put around my bathtub, because in previous videos I've mentioned to you guys that that area is really plain, and I just needed to go shopping and just add a few items in that area. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If this is something that you think you will like, go ahead and tap that red subscribe button below and keep watching. And hey, give me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And tap that notification bell so you're notified each time my videos are uploaded. So hey, you guys, we are on the clock. Let's get started. So today's video is in collaboration with a super sweet mama named Marie. She's married to her husband Eric and is a mom to 3 adorable littles. The thing I love most about Marie's channel is that her videos are non-repetitive. There's always something new to look forward to, but her content includes cleaning, beauty, DIYs, mommy life, and her latest video was so helpful. It was on Instagram hacks and how to grow your YouTube channel. So her channel is not only just super pleasing to watch, but also may be very helpful for those that are trying to build their Instagram or their YouTube channel. She has the cutest ideas when it comes to activities and crafts with her kids. My favorite part, though, would have to be how sweet and genuine Marie is. So I definitely recommend that you guys head on over to her channel, show her some love, and subscribe, and tell her Farrah sent you.
Today and not tomorrow. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, is a rise. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers.
So Marshall's diapers and his wipes and his powder have been sitting here on this filing cabinet now since birth, and I've just gotten tired of looking at it. It just looks sloppy and messy, so I went ahead and bought a little wire basket to keep them organized, and it just looks so much nicer now.
I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry
So I went ahead and used some of this lemongrass essential oils down my sink, and you guys, it made the entire bathroom smell so good. It even filtered out into my bedroom, and everybody was like, what is that smell? It just smelled so good, you guys.
The pieces, hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Waiting down the line.
So I went ahead and gave my microfiber shower rug a good scrubbing because I haven't for a while. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get started on some mopping. And I'm gonna use my wood floor cleaner in the Method, and it's in almond scent. It smells amazing. To me, it smells like cream soda. And then after this, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on decorating.
Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line.
I wanted to dedicate this song to the uncertainty of the time that we are having to endure right now. Let us not forget who we are to turn to in times of trouble. The Almighty God is our refuge, and to those that are suffering in any sort of way at this time, may this song be of comfort to you. Okay guys, so I went ahead and bought 2 artificial plants, and I'm absolutely loving the dry cotton. I bought that big brown vase there. I bought some white hand towels along with some washcloths. I got 2 wire baskets, one to hold some of these towels and a couple rolls of some toilet paper, and then I got another one to hold Marshall's diapers and wipes. And then I got 2 gold glass candle holders, and then 3 containers. The larger glass container I filled with some Epsom salt for easy access for when I take my baths. And then the other 2 are plastic, and I filled them with cotton balls and Q-tips. And I got everything from my local Walmart Supercenter. I checked Walmart.com to see if they had any of these items, and I didn't find anything. Otherwise, I was going to link them below for you, but you might check, if you're interested in anything here, you might check your local Walmart. Okay, so now I'm just trying to figure out where I want everything, and hey guys, this may take a while. Oh, the life of a perfectionist. So I am just loving the way this has come together, you guys. It is simple yet so elegant and clean, and I am just completely satisfied. And now all we need to do is get these walls painted white. It has been something I've been wanting to do now for a long time. I cannot stand these hideously ugly gold walls. I love the color gold, but not on my walls. So Keith and I will be getting that done very soon. Hopefully we will start here in the master bathroom and then into my bedroom. And we will get both walls painted white, and then we will move into the kitchen, and it is a work in progress. So I really hope you guys enjoy this spring clean with me and power hour. It's amazing how much we can accomplish within 1 hour. Tap that red subscribe button below, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up because this really helps my channel to grow, and tap that notification bell so you're notified every time my videos are uploaded. I would love to hear from you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Say hi. And hey, follow me over on Instagram under supermom of7. I'd love to chat with you guys over there as well. And you might check out my website at fairandorganized.com. And don't forget, you guys, to head on over to Marie's channel. Show her some love. Subscribe to her channel. I will leave her channel linked below for you. And hey, tell her that Farrah sent you. And until next time, you guys, see you in the next video. Bye.